how to download TikTok videos. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can download TikTok videos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to download TikTok videos, it's basically quite a simple thing to do, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the TikTok application and just make sure that you're signed into your account. And here you'll be able to see a couple of different posts like this, and if you want to download a certain video here, all you have to do is from the bottom right you'll find a little share icon there. Tap on the share icon and there you'll find the option called save video. Now remember, not everybody actually allows you to download it. This depends upon the creator. If the creator has allowed the option, you'll find the option to save the video, and when you tap on save video, that video will be saved to your gallery, which later you can simply open up your gallery app and then you'll be able to view the video from your gallery completely offline. And this way you will be able to download TikTok videos. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.